session so far from the January session to February, and now it's March. Before we go on, it's going to be a really interactive class. So I would like us um, to to set that right now. So in view of that, I want everybody to go to the chat room now. Tell me your name and where you're joining us from. Also, if you're joining us for the first time, please just indicate that in your message. So quickly, we have 27 people, 7 replies, and we are good to go. It is going to be really interactive. So you all are going to um, be unmuting yourself. You're going to be chatting in the chat room. You're going to share your screen. You are going to be fully involved in today's class. Okay, Ibrahim, first time joining from Ibadan. Wow. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, mine Ogunla Oluwakemi Sola from Lagos. You are welcome. Please, the others, let's do that real quick. Let's do that real quick. Oluwakemi Sola, you're welcome. Ibrahim, you're welcome. Ako Fred, first time joining from Abuja. Wow, you are welcome. Njoku, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. And Mary, you can check the chat room. Madam Edith replied to you. Stephen, first time joining. We have a lot of first timers. This is so good. John David from Lagos, you're welcome. Stephen, you're welcome too. You're welcome. You're joining from Anambra. You are welcome. You're welcome. Um, I should be seeing people from Kenya, from Ghana. Are you hiding? Okay, okay. Our brothers. I know you're on the call. I welcome you all also. So, for the people joining us for the first time, you don't have to feel strange. You don't have to um you don't have to feel left out. The recordings, the materials, and everything you need. Yes, okay, Abubakari from Ghana. Yeah, I knew our brothers are in the call. On the call. We are going to argue about the Ghana Jollof and Nigeria Jollof later. So, if you're joining us for the first time, don't forget we are with you. Every class have been posted on the YouTube, and the link to that will be posted in the chat room. So the materials, everything will be, I will make sure to repost everything on the Telegram group. So if you're not on the Telegram group and you are joining for the first time, please watch out for the link in the chat room, which will be posted subsequently real soon. So please endeavor to join the Telegram group because that's where every information you need it's being posted. And just this Friday on Telegram, Mr. Ayoola, our trainer, attended to some of the issues um, the students have. So the Telegram is a really interactive one. It's not just you being on the group and you're not just getting any value. So the trainer is really friendly and in his tight schedule, he makes time to answer issues and you can tag him and he would answer to whatever issue you have. So also, I would like us to take notes. The first timers, our old students, those have been joining us from January, they are not new to this. The attendance will be posted. So you do well to click on the link and fill up the attendance, please. Also, a feedback form. Yes, a feedback form will be posted at the end of this class. So you tell us what you think. You tell us what you would like us to improve. We will make you in everything we do is for you to get value for everything for the class. So ensure to give us a feedback, ensure to fill up the attendance, and please, like I said, endeavor to it's not even a choice. You should be on the Telegram group. So please make sure you do that before the end of this class. Back to AI and AI automation. Yeah, that's basically welcoming you back to Python. Some of us are not new, some of us are new. So if you're new, you have for you to be in this class, I know you have 1 or 2 coding experience. If you're not started something, at least you have a knowledge of what you're getting into. Because if you out on that, please endeavor to check the first class. It was stated there. It was you get a view of what you're trying to learn. So the first class was introduction to AI. The second class, which was last month, was a really powerful one. We had two trainers. We had Mr. Benga and Mr. Ayoola take us through um, creating our own framework. So okay, for the purpose of being interactive, if you were in the last class, can you just send me any signification in the chat room? Just send me something. Just send me something. You can just a way for me to know. You can raise your hand. You can send a wave. Yes. Okay, David, you're in the last class. Okay, please. I need few more people that were in the last class. Okay, Yeman, you were in the last class. Let me see. Mary, you were in the last class. Okay, David John, yes. So I need few more people, just few more people to signify that they were in the last class. Send me anything. You can send me your favorite emoji. Um, let's do that real quick. Let's do that real quick. If you were in the last class, are we that few that were in the last class? We are 30 on this call. We should have about 15 at least for, yeah, okay, Felix, you're in the last class. Okay. All right. So if you were in the last class, what has been your, okay, you're in the last class, you're in the January class from either of those, of both classes. What can you tell us? What can you tell us basically, just in few sentences, it doesn't have to be a long passage. Just tell us what you have learned. Okay, John, you are just joining. Welcome, welcome. Like I said, the YouTube, the Telegram link is up in the chat room already. The YouTube will post it. So back to what I was saying. If you were in the last class, what was your key take home? What did you learn? What did you learn? What did you learn? The attendance link will be posted during the class. So just please hold on, take a moment. So if you were in the last class, Felix, David John, Mary, um, K-Mine, please, if you're in the last class, if you're in the first class, tell me what has been the key take home for you? What have you learned? What have you discovered? What is that thing that makes you just want to be in this class now? So please let's do that. Let's talk about that quickly in the chat room. I'm waiting for our replies. I'm waiting for our replies. I'm waiting for our replies. What did you learn from the last class? What have been, let's say it's not last class, it's the first class. What have you learned? What have you learned? It doesn't have to be a long, just give me short sentences, please. What have you learned? The whole purpose of this class is to get on top of AI and automation. So far, I think both classes have been really, really insightful. Mr. Ayoola has put in his best to impact knowledge in us, both on the class and on the Telegram group. So tell me, please, tell me. Okay, David, the class was so interesting in that I learned, okay, I learned how to build a machine learning model using linear regression. So I'm hoping to gain more experience today on other algorithms and how to deploy the trained models. Nice. That's really, really good. K-Mine learned few tips on GitHub house pricing. Yeah, that's it. That is really great. That is really great. I mean, you can't be a software developer, or you can't be a code what do I call you, a tech person, and you don't know how to use GitHub. So please, I need more replies. I need more interactions. I need more interactions. If you were in the last class, if you've been in this class, what have you learned so far? I mean, it's going to be so discouraging if the trainer checks the chat room and be like, okay, what have the people have been teaching? What have they even gotten to learn from me? And he sees, oh, just two replies, and we are 32 on this call. That will get him so sad. So please let's encourage the effort we put into this. So Let's see, please. Um, Interact with me. What have you learned? 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 I know it's not just David and K Mind that have been that were in the second class or the first class. So please, 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 please. Um, I'm waiting for replies, please. So it's just K Mind and David that has been active in the classes. The last class was Mr. Bengal took his time to explain a lot of things. Mr. Ayoola came for the practicals. So we can't just, okay, we learn more from the first class on how to use the command prompt visual codes. Yes, you're right. You're right. The VS Code. That's that's a code editing software. Yes, 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 yes. I need other people, please. Train tutor. It will be taking us on introduction to frameworks, computer vision. Computer vision. What is computer vision? I had to take a moment to read about this because I think that's okay. Mary, your label. Let me see. I learned the difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Yeah, that is a keynote. That is a keynote. Supervised learning is when you give. I think you can all of us, and if you were in the last class, if you've seen the video, you 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 definitely would remember that. Mr. Benga mentioned that. So today, as I was saying, computer vision, I had to take a moment to read about this. So when you talk about computer vision, that is basically the use is a field in artificial intelligence that enables computer to interpret and understand visual information. When we talk about visual information, we have photos. Basically, that's just the lame meaning of visual information. So pictures. So it involves acquiring, processing, analyzing, interpreting digital images to extract the data. So applications of that includes the face recognition. I mean, we've all been curious that how do I just put my face on my phone and it automatically opens. So, Mr. Ayola, I know you're ready to dive us in. We are going to be taking on task. I mean, you might even build a code to enable your phone see your face and just unlock on this class. So if you're not with your PC, make sure you grab that. If you are multitasking, try to get yourself together because this is so going to be interactive. This is going to be practical based. You are even going to share your screen and we are going to do this. It's going to be going pari passu. Also, we have image classification. We have augmented reality. That's Snapchat and all. I'm not going to take the class away from Mr. Ayola. I know he's probably smiling at what is Mr. saying. So, Mr. Ayola, you ready for us? Okay, before you come in, Mr. Ayola, though I haven't been able to do well on the course for the second class, I was able to build and run the model on VS Code. Yes, that is great. That is one of the things we're doing, and I will encourage you to take your time during the week, during the month, to get on this and get abreast of what we have done. Sorry, what we have done so far in the class. So, without a very, very, very important information have been posted in the chat room. Please take a minute to get on that. Very, very important. Very, very important. Please check the chat room if you're not on there right now. Please check the chat room. A very important message has been posted. So, Mr. Ayola, we are all familiar except the ones joining us for the first time. That's our guru, our tech guru, our Python guru. Not just Python, I know. He has a lot of languages. He can just school you on from the top of his head. Without further ado, please let us all give Mr. Ayoola a round of applause in the chat room. Mr. Ayoola, we are ready for you to drive us. Okay. Please let's give Mr. Ayoola a round of applause in the chat room.
Morning, Anna. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good, sir. You're welcome.
It's good to have you on the call. Yeah, thank you very much, Madam Edith. Thank you very much, Transformation College. It's been a very long 1 month. I miss everybody here. And I need to also appreciate my team also that have been engaging uh, the requests or the questions of everybody on the call. Thank you very much all. And with me this morning, I'm going to be having somebody that will also be assisting me, and that's the person of Benjamin. Is also on the call. Thank you for joining this call, Benjamin, this morning. So we're going to be taking this session all together. So Emmanuel asked a question the other time, and it was like, what have you learned in the first class? What have you learned in the second class? So I think we only saw just two people uh what's it called? Just two people. I think we just saw K, My World, and David. So if you want us to start today's session, I want to see more of this. Yeah, what have you learned? What have you learned so far? What are the new things you've learned? What are the, okay, tell me your challenges too. So tell me your challenges too. So before I start anything this morning, I think it's going to be very good to have that. So I'm going to be giving out 4 minutes for everyone on the call. Please confirm you can hear me clearly, please. Hello?
Yes, Ayoola, you're very loud and clear.
Okay, thank you very much, ma. So now in 4 minutes, let's quickly do this. So that whether we're going to call off the class today or we're going to continue. Because if you're in the two classes or you're in one of the classes, or one of the class rather, you would have something to say you've learned so far. So in 4 minutes, let's quickly do that. Let me see what you've learned so far. I'm waiting, unless I'll start calling people by their name. I want to hear your voice, or probably you can just unmute your mic, or you just put it on the chat room. Let's quickly do that. I want to see what you've learned so far. I want to see how this
Sorry, Mr.
training has
Ayoola.
been. Okay, Emmanuel.
You can unmute if you have to. This is a very interactive class, like I said. You're free to unmute yourself and please share with us. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So let's start from there. I'm waiting. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, David. In the first class, I learned about pumps engineering, which has been very useful to me. Wow. Thank you very much, David. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know. David has been very, very, very interactive both at the group level and let me say my personal chats. Thank you very much, David, for all the time. And then, do I have Chinaza Ezeokui on the call? Do I have Chinaza on the call? Do I have Chinaza? Is she on the call? Emmanuel, please let me confirm. Is Chinaza on the call?
No, she's not on the call.
Ah.
Let me try to.
I want to confirm. Some people are on the call. Is Ola on the call? Okay, no, that's Emmanuel. I want to see.
Okay, Chinaza is here. Sorry,
Chinaza is on the call. Okay, Chinaza.
Yes.
So I want you to talk to me this afternoon. Are you there, Chinaza? Good afternoon. How are you? Hello, Chinaza.
Chinaza, you can unmute your mic or you
Unmute your
can type
mic
in the
now.
chat room.
Chinaza, I'm waiting for you now. Okay, thank you very much. Good afternoon, Chinaza. How are you? How are you?
Sorry, I've been trying to unmute.
Okay,
Very
good.
sorry.
No worries.
Okay.
So tell me what you've learned so far.
All right. From the second class, I would say I was able to learn how to download data sets using Kaggle. And from
Okay.
there, I was able to run train a model.
Okay. So, okay, have you been able to fix all your challenges?
Yes, sir, I was able to do that.
Okay,
And I'm
okay.
really happy that Mr. Ayoola really helped. Yes, I was having so many challenges. But at the end of the day, I was able to fix almost everything. Thank you very much.
That's good. I'm happy
At
to
least
hear that.
I've learned how to run the model.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Thank you very much, everybody. Now, you don't want me to call you, so they started dropping the comments on the call. That's good. Rashid, it's good to have you on the call again. Yeah, I've been able to set up my environment. I'm still working on my training my model. Okay, that's good. That's good. David John, thank you. Moshood, yeah. In my first class, I've been able to have a good and brief introduction to AI and learn some few Python basics. Okay. Okay, Mary said I didn't respond to her chat. Mary, quickly unmute before I start this session. Mary, unmute your mic and let's hear from you. What's
Yes,
the
good afternoon,
challenge?
sir.
Good afternoon, Mary. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
Okay. What's the challenge?
I haven't been able to pre-process the data. I'm getting an error message. So I sent it on the chat, but you have not responded since.
But are you on the Telegram group?
Yes, I'm on the Telegram group. I've been calling you since you didn't respond.
But I had what's it called? I had a session with everybody on Friday.
Yes, so I'm in Turkey, so our time zones are different. I saw that message on Thursday morning.
Oh.
Yes. So you responded on Wednesday night, Wednesday evening.
Okay.
So I think by 7, but that was our 9 p.m. So I didn't check Telegram until the following morning, and it was the following morning I saw your message that you had responded on Wednesday night. And I reached out again, but you didn't respond again.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know, I have a lot of things I'm doing, and then I try to give time for everybody. But don't worry. If I'm not able to attend to you this afternoon, I'm going to give you special attention immediately after the class. You understand?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much, everyone. Yeah, it's good to have you on the call
Mr.
again.
Ayoola.
Yes, ma.
Sorry, sir.
Good
I have
man.
same
How are you?
fine, sir.
Okay. You have same issue too.
Yes, getting errors, and I think I messaged you, said you'll get back to me.
Okay. Don't worry. We'll see if we can solve most of the problems today. But if we can't on the call, we are going to be doing that you know, in the chats. Do you understand? So don't worry. Okay, thank you very much. Keep my today I have requested.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Okay, good afternoon, Frank. Hello, Frank. Okay, today I've requested that we don't take a new topic today, and it has been graciously accepted. So we want to do something very different from what we have been doing. I'm not going to be really taking us on any new thing. We've been taking the last class once again, but the way we're going to take it this morning is that I'm going to give everybody on the call a task to do. And the purpose of today's class is that we have to fix that particular task between now and the next 1.5 hours. Let me repeat myself again. So today, we're going to be having a live session. So I'm going to be asking different people to share their screen at different intervals. So I'm going to be giving us okay, sorry, let me turn on my camera. Sorry, I'll have to that. Okay, so today what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be giving us a task to do. So we're going to be using all the knowledge we've learned from the first class and the second class to be able to solve that particular problem. So those of us that have been having challenges, we will try to see what's your challenge, because everybody in the class will be able to see whatever challenges you are having, and they were going to be solving it live. But majorly, I think I have someone that I want to start with. That is David. Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much, Ignatius. That's good. So, David, yes, please join on PC. If you don't have your PC on, quickly use this 1, 2, 3 minutes to be able to do that. Join using your PC, because you're going to be using your PC to be able to do your task this morning. Do you understand? So we all are going to try it, and we're going to ensure that we achieve something today. Because we felt like it won't be good enough when we say go and then do something the next 1 month. At the end of the day, we can't come, or we are not confident of what we can do, even without any assist. So this afternoon, I'm going to be giving everybody the opportunity to be able to do it one-on-one. So you are doing your own, everybody in their comfort zone, they are doing theirs. So please, if you have your system close to you, please put it on. If you don't have it, please quickly locate it before we thank you very much, Madam Edith. Okay, so so please ensure that we all have our system very close to us, and we're going to be doing this together. So let me please share my screen, and I want to appreciate everybody for joining again. I don't know, maybe let's do another 1 second thing. Go back to the group, everybody. Put on the call, on the group chats, both on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Just put there that we've started the class for today. Let's do that. Everybody, please do that for me, so that everybody that is not on the call can quickly join. Because it will be good. We're able to solve some problem on this call this afternoon. Then others that didn't join will come around asking the same questions. So I'm coming, Chima, to answer your question. So let's quickly go to let's go to the Telegram group, everybody. Just tell them that we're having a very awesome time this afternoon. We're having hands-on practical this afternoon. So you'll be seeing how others are doing it. So I'll be calling everybody at intervals. Don't worry, everybody, we're going to be doing it together. We're going to be doing it together. We're going to be doing it together. So I will not be doing anything today. So I won't be doing anything today. might not even be writing any code. But if there's need for me to show you some things on my system, I'll be going ahead to do that. So, but before we end the class today, when we are all done with this session, I want to teach you. Okay. I'm going to teach you 3 things that we really need to know. Okay, let me do that before we start this class, because you might need it. Yes, because at some point, when you are training larger data sets, you need to have something to call, you need to remove missing values. Are you getting me? Probably you need to check your data set if there's a missing value. You need to learn how to load your data set properly. You need to know how to normalize the features so that you'll be making any challenges for your applications. So please, sorry, 1 second. Just 1 second, please. Okay, sorry, please. So I also want to teach you how to basically handle missing values, how to normalize some features in your data process, how to make sure that all your data are clean. So I'll teach you that this morning. But everything that we'll be doing is be based on what we've learned last class and previously. So permit me to share my screen with everybody on this call this morning. Yes, I'm going to be sharing my screen. Sharing my screen. Okay. So before now, please confirm if you can see my screen. In full screen, please.
Yes,
Yes, we can see
we
your
can
screen.
see your screen.
Yes, we can.
So before now, we've taught you how to make predictions, how to be able to ensure that you have your predictions made properly, right? So by now, I don't expect that anybody should have any problem with that again. At least I remember over the course of the month, we were able to attend to over 25 or 30 people having challenges, and we were able to resolve it for them. So I'm hopeful they've been able to go through all their trainings and they've been able to go through everything that they need to be able to achieve this. So let's quickly walk through I put it 9 basic steps to be able to make a very right prediction using your AI models. 9 basic steps. 9 basic steps. So let's look at it together. Number 1 is what? Is to import necessary libraries. Yes, you ask me, why do I need to import necessary libraries? I remembered the trainer last week, Benga said that you all need to understand that to make life easy, so people have already written out all your problems. So to make some calculations, just imagine you want to write out a mean median mode calculation, or you want to use almighty formula, or you want to use a very complex mathematical formula or equation. So what do you have to do is that just call the library, that is maths. I get to just import maths. Then once you do that, that's the library. It's going to use all the formulas that are there. All you just need to do is to make sure that those classes in that particular libraries are the one that you refer to. So if you look at the way we calculated our mean median modes, the linear regression the last time, just find out that we only told the data to pick the model that was being evaluated and do what? And calculate the mean median error using the regression model. And at the end of the day, we're able to get our values, or probably, let me call it, the prices that was requested for. So your importing of libraries is very necessary. So make sure that all the necessary libraries that you need, you are able to import them. I'm going to be showing you how to do that shortly. Also, the second thing that you need to do is that you need to load your data set. You need to load your data set. When we say load your data set, what do we really mean? We mean ensure that you call your .csv file from your what? From your file location. Either you are using Chromebook. Yes, for those of you using Chromebook, either you are using Mac laptop, either you are using Windows. Yeah. So ensure you do what? You load your data set appropriately. Load your data set appropriately. Another thing is to make sure you check your data information. Ensure you check your data information. I'm going to be showing you that how we are able to achieve that. Ensure you do what? You check your data information. I'm going to show you how you can be able to check your data information. We've done that in the last class, and I'm very sure we've not forgotten. Then the 4th step is to ensure that you select all the features and the targets. What are the features? They are the what? They are the columns within your data sets. So make sure you select the ones that you want. Sometimes it might be 5, sometimes it might be 2, sometimes it might be 3, sometimes it might be 1. Then the target is, what are you basing your model on? Like currently, we are currently doing of basing our prediction based on prices. Do you understand? Our prediction is currently based on prices. So the future is what? All the columns. Why the target is what? Is prices. So you can decide to be anything that you want. Do you understand? So then the fifth step is to split the data. You want to split it into the X value or split it into Y value. Then you want to split it into train value and you want to split into the test value. So your test value can be 20%, while your train value can be 80%, while your test value can be 20, or you can do it vice versa. So ensure you split the data. Then the step 7 is what? To train the model. Then after that, make your predictions. After making your predictions, you evaluate the model using what? Your regression formula. So let's run through this again to make or predict to make a prediction for your models. What are the 9 steps that you need? Number 1 is to import your libraries, to load your data sets, to check your data information, is to what? Select features and the target, split the data, train the model, make predictions, and do what? And evaluate the model. So let me quickly put you through what I mean by all this. Okay. So you can see import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD is your what? Is your what? That's your libraries. Do you understand? Import pandas as PD, that's your library. So what you are doing is that instead of writing pandas all through, you are assigning a variable PD to be able to replace that particular imported library. So import pandas is your what? Pandas is your what? Is your library. Another one is maths. Another one is scikit-learn, which we've done to be able to do what? To be able to train our models. So we said the second step includes what? Load your data set. So then how do you load your data set? This is it. Let me use my, sorry. So how do I, sorry, still let me do this again. Okay. Let me just use this. Okay. So to be able to what? To load or view all your data sets, this is what you do. You do what? You say data equals what? PD, that is your pandas, does read underscore CSV. Then you do what? You ensure that the name of your CSV, either train, either test, or whatever name you are using for that particular data set is being called. That's what you do in this place. Then after doing that, you do what? You print your header. Printing means, we said it last time, is to do what? Is to output whatever you have in this particular data set header. So now, how to do something for some people will say, why are we using data? Why using data? Can't we use another thing to represent data? This particular data here is a variable name. So for me, I can decide not to use data and use PS. Just something that can just hold a value throughout my coding session. So you can use PS, you can use whatever you want, you can use anything, but just ensure that whatever you are doing, are you getting me? Hold the variable name very well. So this data shows that all the data that's been passed are sent into this particular variable. So this data is a variable, so it can be anything. Do you understand? It can be anything. It can be anything. You can name it anything. You can even give it your name. You can give it anything. So before I move on again, let me try and clear this thing. Okay, so now before I do anything today, I also want to show you, I'm coming, David. I'm coming. So I also want to show you how to check data sets information, how to check data sets information. Let me show you my line of code here. Though I really wish I'm not doing this. I really wish, because I don't want a lot of people to have stolen my code or to steal my code. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Can you see? So to be able to, this was one we used last time. So to be able to check the types of data types that's being used. When we say data types, we mean the data types that holds each of the values, because it's very good for you to be able to understand which kind of data types those data sets are using. Why? Because at the end of the day, when you want to connect all these your code to your what, to your application, either your web application, either your mobile application, either your desktop application, any kind of applications that you want to connect it to, you have to first know which kind of data type, so that they can be able to fully what, interact or move on together. So you want to print out what are the data types and info. So let me do this. I'm going to do this. Sorry. Don't mind me. Let me run this here. So this is data. So Python string. So first, don't forget, I loaded my data sets. Are you getting me? I've loaded my data set. Then the next thing I want to do now is, let me comment this one out. Is I want to see all the informations that is contained in that particular data set. So let's first run this. Then I'm going to go ahead like this. Then enter. So it's running. Hold on. Just watch. That is print into bracket data.info. So I remember, Benga also mentioned this in the last class. Yes, Benga also mentioned this in the last class. So you need to understand what info it's contained in that particular data set you are using. Do you understand? So it's currently processing, still processing. Takes sometimes. So let's hold on for it to just finish up. Then after that, then we want to check the summary statistics of all the data that is in that particular data set. So we're going to be doing that. So while this is loading, it's currently loading. Okay, thank you very much. Can you see? These are all the data sets. Look at it, everybody. Let me make it up, go up like this. Then look at it. So we have the data, we have the columns, we have how many counts is there. Then we have the type of data type that we have. So for the first one, we have customer ID, customer as customer, age, insured. Sorry, this is another data set, don't mind me. So we have total number of counts, there's 700 counts. Then the data type is what? Objects. We have int 64, we have objects. There are different types, there's float 64. We have different types of data types that are being used for this particular data set that was downloaded from Cargo. So now, after doing this, I want to also check, give me the statistics of all the summaries of all the data that are available on the data sets. So what do I need to do? Is that I'll just say print data.describe. So describe, don't forget that the first one is print.head. The head will only show what? All the list of all the columns, right? So, sorry, print out the first 5 rows in that particular data set. That's what the head does. So now, to be able to show all the summary of the statistics, you need data.describe. So please take note of this. So I just need to run it down here. So go up again. So try and give me data.describe. I want to see what's going to give me. I made a mistake and I just commented out this print. So let's look at the description. Don't forget that the first one here is your what? Is all the information that was gotten from that particular data set. Are you getting me? Like now, this underscore C39 has 0 values. That is why we always need to clean our data so that at the end of the day, we don't have any conflicting values. So look up everybody, please. So now let's look at the summary. So for customers as customer, we have the count. So 700, I get me 700 values. For the mean values, so we have 209.5 to size the average there. So for the standard deviation, we have 144. So across all of them, so for 25% of 700, they will get 123. For 50%, we get 209. For 75%, we get 283. And the max value for all these particular counts is what? 479. Across all these particular data, you can see it all through. So what am I trying to show you here is that you can be able to get all this data without even disturbing yourself. Lastly, let's move to that is checking data sets information. Now, to be able to remove all unwanted missing values, all you need to do is to ensure that you use data drop non-available. That is NA, non-available. Then you put it into brackets. Data drop non-available. So let's quickly do that now and see how it works. So I'm going to come here before I do anything. I say data dot drop so sorry. Okay, so now let me comment this one out. So let us look at what the summary will look like now, because I've told you to drop out wherever there's empty or there's a non-value. Are you getting me? So wherever there's availability of values, then you should drop that particular place. So let's run this particular code again and let's compare with our values or results. So I'm going to do that here now. So just watch closely, don't worry. Just watch closely. Can you see? For me, that means that everything is contained. So everything is what? So it's a clear data set. This particular data is very, very, very clear. So if I had not done this, I get me. If I had not done this, then it will show me the number of customer that has a nil value. It's going to show me number of capital gains that has a nil value. And it's going to show me number of witnesses that does not have any value in it. So this one is non-available. So that means that our data set is very clean. So why I did this is just to be able to check. Sorry, Ash. To check if data is unavailable. So just to ensure that we have a clean data set. So this particular data set is very, very clean. So don't forget data dot drop NA. That's drop non-availability, drop NA. So drop NA. So let's quickly move to the next one. Let's move to the next one before we continue for today's class. So encode categorical values. I'll go to post this on the group because some of us will be having challenges when we're going to be doing our next training now. And what do we really need to do? It's just very simple. And that is, we need to ensure that some of these particular data types that we are using, we need to encode them. Like now, the data set we are going to be using for this training, for this exercise today, is having a lot of errors in it. I get me. It's having a lot of errors in it. So after dropping the errors, that is using the drop NA method, then we can now do what? We can now come and encode it. Do you understand? So I'm going to be helping everyone. We're going to be doing it without all this, but I'm going to first show you before we move to that particular session that we have for today. So label underscore encoder, which is going to be, I don't know why I cannot see this. Okay, so look up everybody, please. This label underscore encoder, this first one here, I'm trying to see why it's not giving me full screen from here. Sorry, let me stop sharing my screen and share again. I need it to go on the full screen. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, good. I'm coming. I will attend to everybody on the chats. I have a very short time. So I told you the other time that this particular label underscore encoder is called what? It's called variable. I get some variable. And you can always ensure that you can change it to anything that you like. Yes. So now what we want to do is that we want to say every method that's going to be called in this particular data to ensure that it's encoded. So what do I have to do is that I'm going to call the data, are you getting me, which was declared from your first loading of data sets. Then you call it here, then you say the brand, this brand is one of the columns. Then you do what? You are going to encode it. So this is where you encode it here. Data, then it's to open bracket or open brace, then what? Brand. You can also do the same thing for file type 2. So you do what? You encode it. So how do you encode this? That you call this particular variable, then say fit underscore transform into bracket, then you call your what? The data. Then you can move on from there. You can move on from there. But before you do that, you need to understand that this particular fit dot transform uses the label encoder library. That's what I try to put here. So you can import it from sklen, the processing imports, then lb label encoder. This here. So you can be able to what? Import this particular label encoder from your from sklen that you installed initially. So don't worry. I have to quickly put you through all this one because we're going to be needing it during this class. And I'm very sure you are not going to be having any challenges. So now, what do we have for today? Oh, please confirm if you can hear me very clearly. Please confirm you can hear me clearly. Very much. Having some challenges, or not really a challenge, in clearing your data this afternoon, then you'll be able to know how to go around it. Different features like number one, mileage, year of manufacturer, brand, then engine. So what I'm going to be doing today. So we are going to be downloading our data set from Kaggle, and what you need to search is Nigerian car price. What I need to do for me is that they're going to create a model that predicts used cars in Nigeria based on these features, these five features. Year of manufacture and fuel type. Don't forget, I don't want to do it for us. You are going to be using the idea or knowledge that you've acquired in the last classes to be able to do that. So what you'll be doing for us is that I think I want David or someone, I think Ignatius, either of them, to share their screen. I want to see their I want to see their visual code screen. And what I want them to do for me is that I want them to take people on how to download the cargo data sets and how to predict based on those 5 functions that I mentioned the other time. So before I do anything, I would like you to just take a screenshot of this once again. Let me share this screen again. Please just take a screenshot of this. I'm going to drop it, or let me drop it in the group chats. Let me drop it in the group chats. So what's that? So let me drop this in the group chats quickly. Coming, sniping to, okay. I'm coming. So you can take a screenshot of it if you are comfortable with that. If you can't take a screenshot, ensure you check. So this is what we are doing today. See? Where's my chats? Okay. So I have it here. So this is where you're going to download all your data sets, whatever you need for your data sets. This is what you need. In that soon, I'm sending it in. So please, nobody should chat yet. I'm coming. Let me send the last one so that you can be able to. So I want those people to be ready, either Ignatius or David, anyone that is bold enough among them. I would like them to start this session, then I can call people at random to be able to show that. So everybody, you'll be trying it from your own end. I've already done it. I've downloaded the data set and I've been able to clear it. And I can assure you that we are having a what's it called? A good time this afternoon. So this last one, this is what I wanted to achieve for me. Coming. So what's my sniping tool? This is what I want you to achieve for me. So you create your model based on these 5 features, based on these 5 features, based on these 5 features. Okay. I don't want it to work on yours. David, please unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Talk to me, please. Hello, David. Hello, David. Can you hear me? Okay, Ellen, you have something to say?
Yes,
good
I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Please, since I missed the second class, so it looked like magic to me.
Don't worry, don't worry. You'll see all the, what's it called? All the remedies to the magic during the course of the class. Don't worry, yeah? So just follow, then after the class, you can take up the last week tutorial. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you,
but
sir.
just watch how they are going to be doing it. So, David, unmute your mic. Ignatius, please unmute your mic. The two of you, please. Okay, David.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, how are you, David? So, you are using Visual Code, right?
I'm using Anaconda, sir. Jupyter.
No, okay, I want somebody that can use Visual Code.
Okay, so sorry, I've been very busy. That's why
Okay.
I'm at work. So let me open my VS Code.
Visual Code. Okay, we like to run the we like to do the demonstration for us from beginning to the end.
I really would like to do that, but I will not waste people's time because I think I'm going to waste time doing that.
No, you don't need to waste time. Okay, who is confident enough that want to start this? Let me ask. Who's confident enough that want to start this? You start from downloading your data sets. Okay, David, you want to say something?
Yes, sir.
David, yeah,
Sir, the
David.
issue is, this is a new data set now, and the truth
Yes.
is, even if we know the whole step, we have not mastered the whole code in our head.
No, don't
So we
worry.
have to be like,
You can put your material beside you and be following the steps. You see the same thing. It all follows the same method. Yes, to be able to train data set, it follows the same thing.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
somebody want to say something?
Sir, can I try?
Okay, who's that? Sorry, who's that?
It's Chinaza.
Ellen.
Let me see. It's Chinaza.
Chinaza. Okay, Chinaza. Okay. Oh yeah, now.
Let me see.
Oh yeah.
Try.
Yeah. Please allow Chinaza to share her screen. And everybody, please let me put our hands together for Chinaza for taking up the challenge.
Yeah, Chinaza, you can share your screen now. You can share
Yeah, I
your
like
screen.
that.
All right, sir.
Okay.
So I'm coming.
Thank
Let me
you.
see them.
Thank you. Okay, Chinaza.
So I'm coming. Let's
Okay,
do this.
okay. So Ignatius, I'm still waiting for you. Everybody should
Class.
start
So,
working. Yeah, everybody should start working on it. Check the group. All you need to do is to download the data set, and I need you all to train it. So we are going to be doing that together in today's class. That's what we want to achieve. Do you understand? So everybody should try it. Everybody. If you're on this call, you have your system with you, ensure you are doing this, even though you are not sharing your screen yet. I
this
want
one says we
everybody to
should
be able to
use
share
Visual Studio
their
Code.
screen
I
at the end of.
usually use Anaconda for my work.
No, Allah, no, they are the same thing. They are all editors, but I want people to see the editor that we'll be using all this while, so that we don't have a problem at the end of the day. They follow the same code. They use the same code. They are using Google Colab. They are using Anaconda, which is a Jupyter. They are using VS Code, which is owned by Microsoft. Anyone that you are using, they are all what? They are all the same. So the codes are always the same. There's no difference in running the codes. Do you understand? So, but David, you still share your screen, though. You still share your screen. Okay, we're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Because we're going to be starting with the Kaggle, and we're going to be trying to download the data sets. That's what we're going to be starting from. So, Ignatius, I'm still open to hear from you now. I have
Yes, I'll come up with something.
okay, good. There's one person I want to call on this call. From me, where are you? You cannot run away from me.
Sir, I don't know if to download the data set, if I'm permitted to just talk like this.
I should do what?
Like if I'm permitted to talk like this, like just to talk on the procedures to download the data set, or if I
No,
yes.
wait, let's what's it called? Let's share our screen first.
All right.
Let us share our screen. Yeah, let us allow to first start. Let's see what challenge you'll be having. K-Mind, are you there? K-Mind, are you there?
I'm here, sir.
Yeah. Are you ready? Do you want to take up this challenge?
I can, but my system is very, very low.
But
I
can you
can
do
check
something?
I just joined back now. I don't know
Okay.
what's going on with my battery. Suddenly,
Oh,
if there's light, it will pop up. If there's no light, it won't.
oh, sorry. Maybe your charger then.
That's why.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay, who wants to help us again? Who wants to help us? We're waiting. Time is going. Okay, David, share your screen on how to download the Kaggle data sets.
Oh, sir,
Okay, you
can
want to
I
do it?
continue? Then when there's no light, we just another
Another person
person
will
will
take
pick
over.
it up.
Yeah, start. Let's start.
All right, sir.
Yeah. Please let me give K-Mine the opportunity to share her screen. So let's start with the downloading of the data sets. Let's do that.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So K-Mine, you can share your
Hello,
screen
sir.
now. Yes, sir.
the Nigeria car price data sets. Is it the one from Kayode Makinde?
Yes, it should be. Hold on. Let me quickly check and confirm here. It should be. Coming. Okay, can you please continue with your sharing of your screen?
I'm trying to share the screen.
Or waiting. Yes, the one by Kayode Makinde. The one by Kayode Makinde is the first two. Okay, yes, I think it's the only one there. The one by Kayode Makinde. I'm still waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, so I can take off my camera now. Okay, yeah, proceed.
We can't hear you.
Okay, I just unmute now. Getting it. Data set search dots.
No, use cargo. Use cargo. Use cargo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So going through www.cargo.com, trying to load it.
Okay.
So to get access to Cargo, one is to sign in to have an account with them to get access to it, which I have registered already. But if it's someone who hasn't registered, you need to register through here. But since I've registered, I'll just need to sign in. So I think I sign in through, sorry, I input sign in with email. So new data set, no, sorry. House price.
No, Nigeria car prices. Nigeria car prices. Nigeria car prices.
Nigeria car prices is what we need to do now.
Yes. We're changing what we are doing currently.
Okay. So let's view. Let's go for this Nigeria cars.
No, use the one for what's the name of this guy again?
Kayode Makinde.
Yes, one for Kayode Makinde, yes.
Okay, sir. We'll come to download. We can view it from here to see the things we want to download, which is view. But if we don't want to view, you proceed. So we just download from here.
I hope everyone is following the process.
Yes, sir.
So instead of opening direct, according to Mr. Ayoola, we'll first of all go to the file manager. So which is the PC, the download. Okay, sorry. We'll use this place first. Instead of doing the open file, we'll come here. So it's archive 1, which is this. So cap prices, this is it. But from here, we can, from this archive section, we have to rename it. So coming here, we extract it. So this file cannot build. So let me just come in. Sorry. So open file.
So sorry, please, everyone, please keep on doing yours as she's doing her own too. Ensure you are doing your own too. So if you have any challenge, we'll be able to help you resolve it live and directly. So watch her do it, then ensure that you also do your own too. Thank you.
So we come to extract. And we save. This is it already. So thereafter, we come to the visual code. Sorry. I'm trying to. So come to file, save as. So which means you are going to create another folder for it. We'll select the place we want, which is under download, or we can open it up. Is the archive 2. I think I have it under archive 1. So open. Underscore
You
pricing.
didn't rename that archive one very well. There's a space in between archive and the brackets.
You mean under the file folder? This?
Yes.
I'm not supposed
okay.
to put space.
No, hold on. Click on that archive one, the folder that was extracted.
Okay, sir.
Not that one, the third one.
This?
The third one. Yes. So rename it to car prices without space.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Enter. So go and locate it in the downloads and
I'm trying to go back again. Save as. You see? Download. Okay, this is it.
yes.
Open.
Okay. So you can
So
change
now
it
use that
to
car underscore
yes. Train.
prices.
Okay.
Okay, train, right?
Yes, train, yeah.
Do I need I think that's the mistake I'm making on mine. I always put .py, but I don't need to.
No, you can put it if you don't like, you can put it. The default is .py.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's going to work. Okay.
So then I'll come to new files.
Okay. So this is where you are getting it wrong. The first thing you should have done is create a new file, then name it as car_train.py rather than creating an existing one. Do you understand?
I don't get that, sir.
Okay. So this was what you did. Go back.
Okay, sir.
Go back to car_train.py.
That's the file.
Yes. Yeah. Inside your visual code.
Inside the VS code.
Yes, that's it. Click on it. So now what you've done here, I guess is that you've created another file.
Okay, sir.
car_train.py. Rather than creating an empty one, you created a new file with an existing code.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand? You created another with an existing code rather than creating a new one.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, proceed, please. So you don't need to create another new file. So now what you need to do is that you need to start training your model now.
If can I just do that and getting the creating new file, or I don't need to do that again?
You don't need to do that again. You've already override that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you don't need to do that again.
So I will need to erase this ones.
Don't erase it now. Don't erase it. Since you are building your code based on this. So what you just need to do is that read the CSV file, change the name of the location to dataset. Go back to your folder. Let me see what is your folder. No. Windows Explorer. Yeah, your downloads, your car prices, open it up. Car prices. Okay. This one is car_train. Can you see? Hey, wait, what's that?
Sorry, sir.
This one is car. Hold on. Please maximize this. Okay, so you have, is this the CSV? Okay, yeah.
No, there's no
So
.csv then.
you need to go to view. Go to view on your system. Please, I hope everybody is learning from this. Go to view. No, not this one now, on your Windows Explorer. That's view there. So click on file name extension. So can you see now?
Okay, sir.
So the name of your CSV is what? Car
Yes,
underscore
sir.
prices. So you go and change that train to car underscore prices.
Yes. I should rename it.
Yeah, go back to your VS Code now. So look at that train.csv where you are. Look at your code. Line 4.
Okay, sir.
So look at that train.csv.
So I'll change it to car prices, right?
Yes. Okay. Somebody's saying that can we start on a new file? Okay. Let's start from a new file then. Do you
Okay, sir.
understand? So you can
Yes, sir.
start a new file. So file, create new file. I wanted to assist you by not allow you to use an existing file. Sorry, use a new file. So new file. Python. Okay. Oh, yeah, start now. So I won't talk for the next few minutes.
Import PD as
No, pandas. Don't worry, look at your notes or look at your slide or something that can help you. David. Hello, David. Hello, David.
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Okay, so guide her now. Guide her now from here.
All right, sir. Sorry.
Mr. David.
Yes, I'm with you.
So what next? I think this is where I know you too.
Okay, you have imported pandas, right?
Yes.
So import import NumPy too. Import NumPy as MP because we'll be needing to work with that too, the library.
Okay. Import
NumPy as NP.
NumPy.
NumPy. NUMPY.
Okay.
As PD.
Okay.
Then import sklearn too. Import
As
just
PD.
just sklearn, not circuit. Just import sklearn. By the time we need the specifics when we are training the data, we import others there.
I don't get that.
Import sklearn together. Sklearn.
Okay.
SKLEARN. Just import that. Sklearn. Not as anything. Don't alias it. No aliasing for it.
Okay.
Yeah. So import matplotlib in case we want to plot any visualization to visualize your data. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT.
Right.
Matplotlib.
Okay, man. Maybe you have a slide beside you. Scroll down now so I can be able to see what you want to type.
MATP. I guess the intelligence should bring the remaining one. Matplotlib, see there. Yeah. Dot pyplot, PYPLOT. Yes, pyplot. That is down there. As aliasit, as PLT. So you can run it to ensure that your imports are clean.
Hold on.
Can we
Let me ask a
proceed?
question. Hold on. Let me ask a question from someone. Hello, Mary. Hello, Mary, please, can you unmute yourself or something before you proceed?
Yes, I can.
Look at that particular code in the terminal.
Yes.
Do you think it will run based on our location or to return an error?
Okay, I think she needs to change the directory first.
Thank you very much. I just want to get that. So run this, then you change your directory later. Continue. K-Mine.
Okay, sir. This is exactly what I was saying. I think this was exactly what I said sometimes ago when I messaged you. That trying to change directly a directory, I couldn't get it, but one way or the other, it went through or something.
Okay, don't worry. Mary, can you assist her? So let's women assist women.
That was sweet.
Okay, so to change directory, you'll type cd, then / users. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
No, /. I think it's not this slash, the other one. Okay. /
That's the name of my system, right? This one here.
Yes. / downloads. / car prices. I don't know if it's case sensitive though, because this HP Spectre is capital D, and but you can just run this to see if it will work.
Yeah.
It's users. You wrote user. It's users.
They know that it's case sensitive. It's case sensitive.
The U is capital letter.
Look at that car prices. You wrote that prices.
Sorry. Oh. Still bringing out same errors. CD. Users.
What is going on?
I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know. Well, let me just go here and copy it.
No, don't. Okay. Copying it will have been better. So go to file. Don't worry. Just go to file. Save as. File. Save as. So copy the directory up there. Click in front. So yeah, good. So copy everything. Control A. Copy. Okay. Cancel. Cancel. So delete everything. I hope everybody is seeing the challenges she's having, so that you can also use it to.
Same thing, sir.
What is it?
It's still bringing out error.
I'm coming. Hold on. I can't see your screen very well. What's going on to my work screen? Please, can you drag this tab up? Okay, try it again. Just CD space, paste it, enter. Okay, don't worry. So CD space, paste it. Again, space, paste it. Okay, hold on. Delete it to users. Okay, enter. Okay, CD space, paste it. Delete it to Spectre. Enter. Yeah.
Sir,
So the main challenge you're having is the name of your system. That is no HP Spectre. It's not recognizing that space in between. So what you do is that put / in front of Spectre. Let's just see if it's going to resolve. Do you understand?
okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay,
Just
okay.
like this.
No, just one, just one. Okay, enter. Let's see. You see the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we cannot rename the folder. Okay, go to your folders. Please go to your folder. Go to this PC. This PC. Okay. Open local disk. Local, just open. Users. Open it, open it. Okay, you see that HP? Oh, go back, go back, go back. Go back, go back.
Yeah.
So this is the issue now. I will have said rename this. Can you rename it? And I hope it won't affect
Yes, that's what
anything.
I'm trying to do here.
I hope it won't affect anything. You can't rename it. You can't.
No.
So just create a new folder there. Don't worry. Just create a new folder there. Create a new folder there. Right click, right click. No, on the empty space there.
This is a new folder.
Yes, so put AI underscore class. Please, everybody note this, that the challenge you're having now is what is a location challenge. So it's not seeing the space in between the P and the S. So that is what she's currently having now under class. Enter. So go to your downloads now. Go to your downloads now.
There now, sir.
Yeah, you there now? So copy that car prices.
Yes, sir.
Copy that car prices. Copy it. Everything, everything. Have you copied it? Not the
Yes,
zip,
sir.
the folder, the
Okay.
folder. Okay. So go back to this PC, users, AI class. Yeah, that's it. Paste it inside. Continue. Okay, good. So now go and change your directory. So copy the directory here. Just copy the directory here. Yeah, go and change it. CD. No, there's no space there. Let's be fast. Let's be fast. Yeah. Okay. Can you see now that it's working? Can you see that it's
Yes.
working now?
Yes, sir.
So continue Python, then car underscore prices .py. It should not output anything. Oh yeah, be fast. Okay. Thank you very much.
But it's still showing error here.
There's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing inside the
Okay.
file. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now go and read your data. Go and read the data. You know how to do that. You know how to proceed?
No, sir.
Ah. You need to load your data set. Try and load your data set. You don't know how to do that. Okay, let me quickly help you. Data now. Data now.
Yes.
Enter. Click on enter. Enter again. Let's be fast. No, next line. Clear that and move it to the next line. Clear it to. Okay, data now equals to pd dot read underscore csv dot read underscore csv into brackets. Okay, thank you. Somebody is telling you, Fred is telling you that you made a mistake. Thank you for seeing that, Fred. You did not put your double quote there. Double quotes. Yeah, now. Mhm. Okay. Car underscore prices dot csv. Please be fast. You didn't close it. No. Okay. So look at your number 2 code. It should be NP, not PD. Yeah. Save it. Now go to your terminal. Please raise this thing up. Let's be able to see what you want to do. So run it. Okay, hold on. There's a challenge there. Go inside that folder again, that file explorer. There's a problem there. Okay, can you see? Before, you have to first ensure that you reference these car prices after the AI classes. So go back to your, what's it called? To your change directory.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just use your up arrow, the up arrow. Yeah, again, so backslash car prices. No, back one. No, not that one, not that one. The other slash, yeah. Car prices. Okay, enter. Okay, now you can do your Python. So use your arrow again, your up arrow. No, don't worry. Use your up arrow. Up arrow. Again, one more time. Up arrow, up arrow. I did not say paste. Up arrow. Oh yeah, now. Press your up arrow, arrow. Arrow on your keyboard, up arrow. What do you call it? Yeah, again. Oh yeah, run it now. Enter. So it's running. So now let's Mary take it up from here. Mary, can you share your screen? Wait, something's wrong with this. Oh. Did you save it? Go and save it again.
I saved it.
No, you did not save it. Click on File, Save As. You did not save it. There's nothing inside. That's why it's showing like that. So go to your no now. File. File. Save As. Okay, this PC. You know where to get it now inside your AI class. Scroll down, look at disk. Look at this. Okay. Users, AI class. Car prices. Oh yeah. Car prices. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It will ask you, yes, replace. Oh yeah.
It's
Go and
saying
run that.
failed to. Sorry, there's a message here.
Okay, insufficient permission. Retry as admin, yes. Has it saved like that?
I want to recheck.
That's download now. Don't make mistake. You are still in download.
Use from PC.
Look at your directory now. Your directory is AI class, not download. Mary, please get set. You'll be taking over from her. Not downloads. Go to this PC. Go to users. Users. Go to your front. What are you looking for now?
Look at disk for the users.
Please don't. Look at it now. Oh yeah. Open.
I've
Save
opened
it
it.
now. Yes, so replace it. It has saved now. It has saved. So run it
Okay.
now. Yeah. Please, you have to be mindful of your location because if you are not, oh, sorry, you didn't print it. You didn't print it. So now print it. Print into brackets. Please do that. You need to print it here. And I continue. Hold on now. Cancel.
No, it's saying it's showing me error here.
Which error is that?
This is retry as administrator.
No, it has saved already now. This is it. This is location that's saved. Don't worry. So now let's go finish this. Print into brackets. You've not finished now.
Okay, sir.
Print into bracket data.ed. Data.ed into brackets. Open the bracket again. Inside that closed bracket, before that closed bracket, add the yeah. Okay. Save it now. Please use that.
You can see what I'm
Okay.
saying. It's saying
Yeah.
withdraw administrator.
So do you need to open what's it called? Run as administrator, yes. Retry, click on it. So save. It has saved.
Okay, sir.
It has saved now. So yeah. Okay, it's working now.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. So please note what we've done today now. Number one is that you have a challenge with your location, so we have to change the location. Number two is that when you are naming your folders, ensure you don't add spaces. Do you
Okay, sir.
understand? Then
Okay,
number
sir.
three is that you need to master all these codes very well so that it can be part of you. Do you understand? That is why we decided not to take another session today. Let us see how we can master all these basics and move on from there.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you very much. Yeah.
Thank you
Mary,
very
can
much,
you,
sir.
yeah, hold on. Mary, can you pick it up from there?
Yes, I can share my screen.
Okay,
I'm at
please.
this point actually as well.
Okay, yeah, continue. Thank you very much, Kimman.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. So you can continue training your model. Okay, please allow Mary to be able to share her screen. Hello, Mary, your
Maybe
mic is muted.
you can go ahead now.
Okay, I'm sharing now.
So who will work with Mary like this? Let me look for somebody. Ignatius, are you there? Ignatius, so come and work with Mary. So you guys achieve the next phase.
It's not
Mary,
allowed.
we're still waiting for you.
I'm seeing host only can share screen.
Emmanuel, please help us attend to that quickly. So what we want to do next is that let us check all the data information. You know what we mean by that, checking data? Okay, good. Good. Allah. Okay, good. Okay, so the next thing is to check data information. You know how to do that now?
Yeah,
No,
that's
don't run. Okay, run your code. Let's see first. Run your code. Let's see.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, Miss Ayoola.
Yeah, good afternoon, Kachi.
Yeah. Okay. Which data are we using? Is it the house prices?
No, car prices. Car prices.
Okay. There's a new data.
Yes. We just
Okay.
yeah.
Actually,
You need to go to Kaggle and download it. If you check probably the administrator web page will share that particular instruction that I posted the other time.
So I'm getting this error message and I don't know what the cause of it is.
Your directory is probably wrong or something.
But
Go and check if car prices is inside car underscore prices folder.
Yeah, Yes, this is the folder.
Okay. Okay. Can you copy the directory? Copy the directory now. Click
No,
on it.
okay,
Click
this
on
one.
it. Yes, right click. Get info. Okay, that's it there. Users, mark users progressive car prices. Can you see there?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go and mark users. Yes. Visual code.
Okay. CD.
Yeah.
Don't copy. Yes.
It's there now. That's it. Python.
It's still giving the same error.
You're having a directory issue. I'm coming. This directory issue, I don't even want to think about it again for everybody. I'm coming. Is Blessing on the call? Blessing, are you on the call? Please let me confirm if Blessing is on the call. Come, there's a problem with your directory. I'm trying to help you look into it.
Okay.
Blessing is not on this call. I can't see any name. Blessing.
Okay. I think she had that same issue sometimes ago. Yeah, I did something.
Should I delete the folder and
No, don't worry. Okay, what you do for me is that type PWD in the terminal. Just type PWD.
Okay.
Enter. Yes. Users progressive cars underscore prices. So you're in the right place now.
Yes.
So then Python 3. Have you saved this thing direct? Have you saved? Resave it, please.
Okay.
It's there already. I can see that it's there. Just file and save. Okay. So run it now. Sorry, everyone. We just have to fix this. Thank God I asked you to share your screen. Okay. Do you know what you do for me? This car underscore prices dot CSV.
Yeah.
So what you do from me is that paste that location in front, then put a okay. Then put a forward slash. Let's see.
I don't understand.
That's car underscore that line 6.
Yes.
Yeah, put the full location directory there.
Okay. That's this one, Abi. Users
Yes, yes. No.
Sorry,
Line
sir.
6, line 6. Yes.
I think I noticed something there.
What's
The
that?
line 7 is train.csv instead of carprices.csv.
I don't understand.
The line 7. Go she should go back there. Go back to the visual code, please.
Is carprices.csv.
Output the top 5 rows in the train.csv file above.
Oh, is a comment.
Comment. It won't
It
show.
won't
It
run.
won't show.
It won't run.
It won't run.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for that. It's a comment. I was almost confused. Thank you. Okay. 1 second, please. Okay. Mary, let's do something different. Please type this ls space -1.
Sorry?
-1 -1.
1.
Enter. Okay. There's a problem with your naming convention. Go back to your folder.
Okay.
There's a space there.
Where?
Yeah. Rename this cap_prices. Rename it.
Okay.
Go to in front of car. There's a space in front of car.
Okay.
Do Control A. How do you, sorry, highlight everything, delete everything and start again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Underscore prices dot CSV.
Oh, not this. Okay, yeah, enter.
Okay.
Go back to your, go back to your go back to your Visual Studio.
Okay.
That car_model, sorry. I want to say car_model.
Okay.
Can you see that there's a space there?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Rename. car_model dot py. Enter. Okay, good. Now go to your let's run the code again. Python 3.
Like I have to
No,
save.
don't. Yeah, save it again. Save as. The place.
Yes.
Beautiful. Yeah. It looks stressy, but okay, you want to print it? No.
No, I want to run the.
Okay. _model. No. I think the day you're going to be doing graduation, everybody on this call owe me a drink each.
Yes. Okay, I think it's loading.
It's working now.
Yes, but it's loading actually.
It's still loading, yes. You know, it takes time sometimes. Okay, so let's quickly write the other. So let's quickly read through this.
I've run.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So let's quickly move to the next thing now. That is check data
So can
information.
I continue with her?
Wait. Let her do her own too. So let's for data. So you just need to do is print into brackets data dot columns.
So I should run it, Abby.
Yes, run it. Has it worked?
Yes.
That's scroll down. I can't see though. Is it running now?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful.
5 rows, 20 columns.
Okay, so let's quickly do this last one before you move, before you go off the call. Let us add some features and targets. You know how to do that now?
No, sir. That's where I was stuck. That's where I was calling for.
Okay, it's not a problem. So to be able to add the features, all you just need to do is write the next line.
Okay. I should write what?
No, next line. Yeah, features now equals to. So now, if you look at what I asked you to do, I said the features should include year of manufacture, mileage, engine size, model, fuel type, and number of cylinders, right?
Yes.
And that's so now you now go back to that particular. Please, everybody, listen to this. Oh, please help me take this terminal up, like expand it. Let's go up. I want people to be able to see what I'm saying. Okay, now everybody, look at that particular rows that was generated now. That is the data that dot columns. You can see your year of manufacture there. Can you see that there's no space there? What do you notice there? Can you see that price, fuel type, gear type? Can you see it?
Yes.
Make. No, look at it down. Still go down.
It is it. Yeah.
No, go down. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it. So that's all your columns. So what we want to extract there is the year of manufacture. So to be able to achieve this, so you put a bracket, bracket on your laptop. Yeah, put a bracket there. Open up, then you put a string, just a single quote. Single. Yes, single, good. So you now pick that year of manufacture. Look at the way they wrote it. So write the same thing like that. Year of manufacture. Year of manufacture.
Okay.
You can type it now.
Yes.
So as you'll be faster. Yeah, remove that space in between the opening and close. Yeah, comma after the quotes. Open another one, space. So go and look for the way they wrote mileage. Yeah, fast. Mileage. Good. Comma. Engine size. Comma. Model. Please ensure that the way it is inside the data set is the way you are outputting the features. If not, it's going to return errors. Yeah. Fuel type. Okay, good. The next line now, let's go and set the features and target now.
Okay.
So you say X now, capital letter X, small letter X, yeah, X, small letter X equals to data. Then, yeah, open a bracket, curly bracket, what do you call it? No, not that one, not that one. Angle bracket, I mean, what do you call this one that we used the other time? Features. The next line, Y, that's going to be your target variable. Y equals to data price. Let your price be in what's it called? Let there be quotes around your Y, single quotes.
Okay.
Because it's not included in the data set. Okay. Now, the next thing we need to do is to train or split that particular data. So all you just do is click next line again. So you say X underscore train. Don't worry, just continue. Comma. X underscore tests. Comma. Space. Be putting space now.
Okay.
Y underscore train. Y underscore tests. Comma. So what we're doing there, we're trying to split the data into test and train. Okay, good. Equals to train underscore, don't worry, continue. Test underscore split into brackets X, comma Y. Let there be space, we put in space. Comma. No, inside the brackets. Space. Test size, test underscore size. Equals to I'm coming 1 second, please.
Equals to is still inside the bracket, I mean.
Yes, everything inside the brackets. Okay, test size now equals to 0.2, comma, space, random underscore states. No, see your random. Random underscore states equals to 42. Okay. So what we did there is that we'll be able to split it. So next line now.
This train
So
underscore test
no,
underscore.
leave it. It's not an error.
Okay.
Next line. Okay. So I'm coming. 1 second. So let's just print it. Let's print the test. So print it to brackets X underscore train dot shape. Then next line, print it to brackets X underscore test dot shape. See your print, oh, see your print.
Run it, Abby.
Yes, run it. Then before you run it, you forgot to add there's something we've missed in the okay. So click on that what's it called? Test_test.split_splits.
Okay.
Click on it. Yes. We need to import the so click on it again. Remove oh no. I don't ask you to right click. That's it. Quick fix. Click on quick fix. Click on quick fix. You don't see it. That's it. Close. Don't worry. Just look at it. You can close it. Look at your right. No. Down. Go down. Go down.
Sorry.
Okay. Over it. Click on it. Quick fix. Look at it here.
This, Abby.
Yes. Click it. Add. Yes. Click on add. So if you scroll up, you see there it has added it. Can you see it? Train_test_split.
Yeah.
So let me see your last code to be able to ensure that we are on the right track. So x_train.shape, then x x. One should be test, one should be train.
Okay.
X test. Oh yeah. Run it. Save it and run it. So I think David will take over from there.
Okay.
So scroll down. So can you see what is there?
Yes.
What's there? What can you see there?
975. Comma 5.
Comma what?
5.
So the first one is what? Hey, sorry.
Is the train.
The train. That means that train has 80% and the test has what? The 25%. I mean 20%. Yeah, that's what you did. 20, that's 0.2. Test size. Can you see? Test size should be 0.2. That is 20%. 20% is what? 0.2, right?
Yes.
So test size is 0.2. Why the train size is what? Is 0.8. Do you understand?
Yes.
So do you get up to this stage? So David, so thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
So David, over to you now.
Oh, okay. Please keep sharing. No, you keep writing because I'm not using VS Code. I'm using Anaconda.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll be training the model. We'll be training our model now.
Okay.
So for us to be able to train our model, we need to import one more library.
Okay.
So going to import from sklearn.linear_model, import linear regression.
I don't understand.
Since you are going to be using linear regression algorithm, so we are going to import the library from Python library so that we can use it to train. So we'll be typing from sklearn.linear model.
Okay.
Yes, import linear regression. Capital letter L, you can see there. So after we imported that, then we will need to initialize the model. So go down. All right. So we'll just use model as the variable name, model equal to linear regression. Open and close bracket in front of it.
Okay.
Yeah, like a function. Then enter.
Okay.
Model.fit, open bracket. No, 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 no space.
Okay.
No space. No space.
Okay.
So inside the bracket, so the S train, we have splitted our data set up
Yes.
there as S train and Y train.
Yes.
So put S train, comma, Y train. Our S train is our features, which we are training the model on, and
Okay.
our Y train is independent variable, which we are using to determine the features.
Okay.
S train, Y train, close the bracket.
Yeah.
Yeah, enter. You can just write print.
Okay.
Let's print, open bracket, open bracket, open apostrophe, quote.
Okay.
Model training complete, you can close it.
I should write model training complete inside of it.
Yes.
With space of it.
Yes.
Like this of it.
Yes. Mr. Ayoola, should we run this?
You're in charge now.
Okay, run this. Let's see what to give us.
Okay. Oh, this thing is showing this.
I don't just click on enter.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I'm coming. Hold on. You know that. Okay, is this Windows?
No, this is Mac.
Mac, have you? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. We don't use Mac. We use Windows. So I'm coming.
Maybe you should click enter again, because before you click this enter, you put model.fit, which is not supposed to be there.
I've clicked enter again.
Okay, just type clear. Just try to type clear. Yeah, enter.
It's still the same.
Okay, no, okay. That's not working. Hold on. This is your Mac icon plus K.
Okay.
Did that one work?
No.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Let me.
Type presets.
Don't work.
No. Something's wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Don't worry.
Okay. We're good now.
Okay, you're good now.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Exit. Okay, so run it.
Okay.
PWD. You're in the wrong location. Your location has changed. No. Use your up arrow. Use your up arrow. You should be able to get where you're doing before. Keep on pressing it.
Okay.
Scroll up. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. Yeah. But you're going to copy it locally and paste it quickly. CD. For those of us using Windows, it's not Python 3. So that you're not going to be writing Python 3 is not working. It's Python. For those of us using Python, there's Python 3. Sorry, for those of us using Mac, it's Python 3. Because somebody will not come and say, I've been trying Python 3, it's not working.
Ah, is there wrong?
Don't worry, get it. Hold on. There's a problem with this training.
Yes, the training we just did.
All right. I guess I got it. Can I continue, sir?
No, the training,
No,
there's a problem with the training.
there's a problem with the training. Please add a
Yeah, I got
space
the error.
between x_train_y. Please correct that.
Okay, put space. Yes.
Yeah, save it. Wait. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what's it?
Before we train the data set, we didn't actually do data cleaning. I guess that's where we're having our error.
Hold on, what's the error saying? No, there's a capital letter X. Now it's a capital letter X. So what you do for me is that you see this X, change everything to capital letter X.
Oh,
All those X, all the X that are there, change it to capital letter.
okay.
Just
But
the X.
but it
Just the
ran.
X.
It
Don't
ran
worry,
up to this place.
don't worry. Just change everything to
Change it to capital letter. Okay.
X, yes. Everything. Oh, yeah, fast.
Okay.
You not do your
You have,
train, X_train.
you have jumped one. Yes.
Yeah. X test.
X test.
Capital letter X. Yeah.
X.
In line 22.
Line 13.
Okay. Go and run it now.
Save it and run it again.
Still returning error.
Okay, yes. Now what we need to do is we need to clean that particular data set. That was what David, yeah, thank you. David was trying to say. So what you need to do now, David, do you want to help her or I should help her?
I can help, sir.
Yeah, help. Let me see.
All right, go up.
Okay, before the features.
First and foremost, comment this thing out.
What?
Comment the code you used to train the model. Go down.
This one.
Yes, that model, comment them out so that I won't keep getting the errors.
Should I comment the print too?
Yes.
So go up.
Okay.
Now, this data.column.
You can comment it out also.
Comment it out. Then enter from there.
Next
enter,
line.
do enter from there.
Another one.
Yes, that type data.info. Open and close brackets. .info. FO. Open and close bracket. Save it and run it.
Yeah.
Now, let us look at the data we are training. When you look at it now, so we already know the features we are using. We are using years of manufacture, mileage, engine size, model, and fuel. But before that, when you look at this data set now, non-null count. When you read through, you see that the data set are not equal.
Yeah.
You see that, so the numbers are not equal. So type to confirm whether there is NA value in this thing. Type df dot under the info.
It should be data, not df, data.
Sorry, I'm using my own data.
Okay.
Data dot is null. Is NA rather, is NA. Open bracket, open and close bracket. Then after the bracket, dot sum. Open and close bracket. So run it. Have you run it?
Yes.
Yeah. So
go down.
Yeah. It should be up.
Or go up.
No, hold on. Come up. No.
Go up.
No, hold on. Go down a little bit. Go down a little bit. This is it here. Go down. So hold on. So this is it here. We only have 4 datas that are null. Can you see it?
Yeah, we have some data
That's the seat, but we don't need it. So, but let me just quickly assist her here. So what you need to just do is to encode what's it called? I think mileage is the only problem that you have. Please scroll down.
So we have for mileage, engine size, mileage, engine size, and fuel type.
So let's quickly encode it. Let's quickly encode it so that it won't give us a problem again. Don't worry. Now, after that sum dot null, after it. Yeah, enter again. So write label encoder, label underscore encoder. Don't worry, this is just a variable. No, en encoder equals to label encoder. So yeah, open and close brackets. Okay, so don't worry, next line. Okay, so click on that label underscore encoder. Okay, just click on it. Click on it.
I'm clicking.
Over it. Take your mouse out of it. Okay, over it. No. I don't ask you to right click. Okay, quick fix. Oh yeah. So if you look at your what's it called, you'll have imported that particular library. Can you see it? So go to the next line now. So let's start one after the other. Data. Oh yeah. Brackets, that bracket that we're using. So to look at the name of what we want to use. The first one is year of David, do you say we encode year of what's it called to? Year of manufacture. Oh yeah, go and copy year of manufacture. Scroll down. Scroll You see there, that's it.
Yeah.
Number 6. Yeah, copy it. Okay, copy.
I've copied it.
Yeah, paste it there.
Should I
Put
put
yes, yeah, quotes, yes.
Sorry, sir, your manufacturer is not there. It's mileage, engine size, and fuel type.
Okay, so sorry, mileage, engine size, because they're in floats and it's seeing it as a string. That's how I'm encoding. Single quote, single quotes.
okay?
So use mileage. Oh, yeah. People want to go.
Okay.
Yeah, now equals to.
Equals to.
No, not inside, outside.
Equal to.
Space. Put a space now. Yeah. Space again. Yeah, label encoder. Underscore encoder. Label underscore encoder. Dot fit transform into brackets data.
I should put data inside the bracket.
Yes. Then that's angle bracket, or what do we call it? Yes. So mileage, the way we did it. Just click on enter. Click on enter. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah. No. It brought out an intelligence the other time.
Oh.
Control Z, Control Z. What do you do? Control Z. Go back.
Okay.
Yeah. Inside, write mileage. Put it inside the single quotes. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So just copy these 3 times.
This whole line, Abby?
Yes. Copy 3 times. Yeah. So inside you change for fuel type and model. Oh, yeah, fuel type.
Okay.
What are you doing? Yeah. Do for model too. Okay. So go and run your code now. It should work. If it doesn't work, maybe we have to encode more, like engine size. Do you have to encode the engine size? Where's I can't see what's it called? Is there engine size there? Okay, I've seen it. Float. Okay, run it. Let's see.
I've run it.
Did it work?
It didn't work.
Where is it? You've not run it now.
Run it though. It not bring anything.
Hold on. Okay, scroll up. This data info, go and comment it out. That data info, comment that data info. The result is too much. Yeah, data is no.
I should comment that one out.
Yes, comment it out.
Comment it out.
Okay, so scroll down. No, scroll down. No. Inside your code, you've forgotten that you've already taken out the training. You know, we're trying to train now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Somebody asked a question that's they said, what is the size of 0.2? Okay, I will answer that quickly now. Save it now and then run it. We should. I'm trying to see what you have there.
Give an error.
Yes. X underscore, I'm coming. I'm coming. Features, set of features, price, you trained it, training it. Then model equals linear regression, model that fits X string, Y string. There's a problem somewhere here. I'm trying to help you look at it. Check the issue with it is check parameters. I'm coming. No, hold on. X underscore train, comma, Y underscore train. Please, before you continue, please comment out this model and let's see what will give us.
Which one? This one?
Yes, comment it out. I want to see why it's giving line 12.
Should I comment this one too?
Yes. So Ron, let's see. Don't worry, we should leave by exactly 3. Then we've tried for the day. So Ron, let's see. Is there any error? Scroll down.
No, there's no error.
So hold on. I want to see. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay, I'm coming. Hold on. So I think one of the, remember we have a missing value somewhere. So let's quickly take off that missing value. I'm coming, please. Let's quickly take off that missing value. Then we'll come back to this. So go to line. I can't see your screen. Okay, I can see your screen now. So it's going off and on. Okay, go to line. Scroll up. Yes, okay. So look at in between that, go to line 12.
This one.
Yes. So write data equals to data dot drop NA. That is to be able to remove all the missing rows. Oh yeah. Open and close brackets. Okay, good. So go and try it now.
Should I remove the comment from this?
Yes, remove the comments, yes. David, you wanted to say something?
Sir, that's what I wanted to say, that the reason it's not working is because they are NA values and we've not dropped them.
Okay. It has worked now, eh?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful.
Though, sir, my own, I didn't drop it. I tried to use the
Fill it.
mean value
Okay, you
to
filled
fill
it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you can use any method though. You can use it, but the easiest method is to drop those values and not use it.
Sir,
Do you understand? Yes, ma'am.
from my hand here, it's saying line 31, the linear regression.
Yes. What happened to it?
Yeah. It's saying linear regression, you missing, okay.
Missing what?
It's just highlighting the linear regression.
I can't see it.
No, as in from my own system, not from the person sharing screen.
Okay. Yeah, what you do is that click on that, click on it. Don't right click, or just over it. Then you see quick fix.
Okay, on the linear regression.
Yes, over it. Then to bring up something like a pop-up, then it will. Okay. Mary, let's do that again. Scroll up,
Okay.
Mary.
Sir?
Yeah, scroll up, please. Let's do that again. Remove that linear regression, that one on the number line 6.
Okay.
Cut it or delete it or whichever one. Everything there. In line 6. In line 6. Okay. So go to that linear regression again. Can you see? Keep in mind, can you see it now? So just over it. Can you see? No, don't right click. Then you click on quick fix.
Mine is showing green already.
Okay, it's working there now, Abi.
It's showing green, but still bringing out that error.
No, you've not added the library to it. That's the issue.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so right click on it, then over on it, then bring quick fix, then click on add from statistics, import linear regression. Click on it. Then to work like that. Then it should not show any what's it called again. So now we've done very well. What we've done today, we've added 2 things or 3 things. Scroll up, Mary. Number 1 is line 12. It was not in our initial code. Line 12 was not in our initial code. That is to be able to drop all empty rows, those that has a null value. So it's going to drop them. So to drop all missing rows, it will help you drop them. So it's rows, ROW, missing rows. So we have the data info. The data info is just to check it clearly. Data info is just to check the information or data types. Yes, check the data types of all the columns. Put hash in front of that too, so that when you try to uncomment, yes, in front of 2, yes, hash. So when you try to uncomment it, you won't be having any issue. Then this line 14 is not available. It shows that the rows that are not available is going to be giving you the sum total of the rows not available. Sum total of rows not available. So then on line 16, we had the encoding of all the virtually all the data types, like mileage. Mileage was an object and we needed it to be in float. Fuel type was an object, we needed it to be in float. Model was an object, we needed it to be in float. So that's why you have to check the information that it was contained in. Then lastly, scroll down. That's number 3 thing that we've done today that is different. Scroll down. Then number 4, okay, we've done linear regression. So I would have loved us to do mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode. Okay, let's quickly do it together. I don't know, David, do you have anything to say? Let's quickly do mean, median, and mode. So what you do for me is that, Mary, you now copy this code, put it inside Notepad, and send it to the what's it called, to the chat room now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming. Before you do that, let's quickly do the mean, median, and mode. Let's evaluate using mean, median, and mode. So next line. Next line again. So just say MAE. MAE means mean absolute error. MAE equals to, mean space mean underscore absolute underscore error. Into brackets. Don't worry. Continue. Oh yeah. Y underscore tests.
Inside the brackets.
Yes, inside the brackets. Okay, there's an issue. We need to first print out the prediction. Go after that, go to line 34.
Mhm.
Yes, line 34. Another one, another line. Yes, go to line 35 now. So prediction now. We've not made the prediction. Prediction. Yes. S equals to model dot predict into brackets x underscore test, capital letter X. So next line. So just say prints. Oh yeah, into bracket predictions. Predictions. Continue. Predictions. Then that bracket. That's no, continue after prediction. Let's say top 5. Yeah. Curly, I mean, what's it called? Angle brackets. Yes. So semicolon. That is 5. You can change it to 10. You can change it to 20. Yeah. Semicolon. No, the double.
I don't, okay.
Yes, 5. Yeah. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. So y underscore test, comma, that's line 38. No, line 38. 39 now.
Okay.
So y underscore, comma, space, predictions. All these things are in your formal materials. If you go and check it there, you find it there. Predictions, that's it there. Yeah, enter. So let's do mean squared error too. MSE equals to. Don't worry, we're leaving here by exactly 3. Equals to mean underscore squared underscore error into brackets. The same thing, y underscore test. Okay, next line. Then R, that's the root mean square error. R MSE equals to NP dot square root SQRT. No, SQRT. Yeah, into brackets MSE. So the next line now. So let's print next line again. So print into brackets MAE, that's your mean absolute error. MAE, next line. No, next line.
Okay.
Yeah, print into brackets RMSE. RMSE. Okay, so now go and fix that mean absolute error over it and a quick fix. Yeah. So the second one too. Save it and run it.
There's an error.
Don't worry. Sorry, I can't see. I don't know why my own screen is not showing down of your screen. Yes, Madam Edith. Hello, Emmanuel.
Yes, Mr. Ayoola.
Okay, so get ready to round the class up for now.
All
So
right.
I'll just answer some questions. So then move on. Yeah, thank you. Hold on, please comment out the last two columns. Yes, comment it out. I want to see something. Yeah, run it again. If there's no error to that place.
That's error.
Okay. Scroll up totally. I can't see that's the issue. I can't see what's in the bottom of your what's it called? Okay. Uh, scroll up totally. Linear regression is there. Okay. Oh, there's a problem. Look at that number 1. It should not be statistics. So clear it. It should be SKLN. Clear it and go and redo the linear regression. Dot linear underscore model.
Okay.
Dot linear underscore model. That's it. Space imports linear regression. Okay. So go and run it again. Okay, good. So go back down and then comment those lines. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. So look at it here now. So the prices that was gotten was so by God's grace in the next class, what I'm going to be doing is this. All these values, all these mean, median, mode value that we're getting, we are going to be interpreting them in what's it called, using some of our applications. So we're going to be connecting them to either a web application or we're going to be connecting them to a mobile application or whichever one we want to do. I would have loved to show you what I'm currently working on. We're having an application that we're going to be presenting to some insurance company next week, and it is built using all these methods that you've been taught all this. I would have loved to show you. But if you were very sensitive when we started this class, you see when I was trying to show the data sets in my visual code the other time, you found out that you saw something like insurance something. So all these methods that we are currently having are the things that you will be taught how to do them from beginning to the end. So let me copy this thing and put it on the group currently. Mary, thank you for your time. David, thank you for your time. K-Mine, thank you for your time. Ignatius, thank you for your time. I think those are my top contributors for today.
I'm going to do my homework.
Okay, so these are my top contributors for today. Who again?
I'm here. Good afternoon, sir.
Frank, how you doing? Good
Sir,
afternoon. How you doing? Yeah.
I'm confused. Where do I come in?
Don't worry. Take the last class. Take the last class again.
Okay, sir.
I'm very sure Emmanuel will drop it on the what's it called?
Is there any WhatsApp page?
Yes, we have a WhatsApp page. Yeah, we have a WhatsApp page.
My phone number is there.
Okay.
Mr. Ayoola,
Yes, sir.
To be honest, I'm lost totally.
Don't worry. That means that was the reason why I asked us to have this session today is because of those people that I know that didn't do anything from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. Do you understand? So what you now do now is that you will go back to last week class. Are you getting me? You
Okay, sir.
follow the material step by step. If you follow the material step by step last week, then you'll be able to do what we did today without any issue. The only thing you won't be able to do.
Can we get your WhatsApp number for a reminder?
No, don't worry. Emmanuel would reach out to you. Emmanuel will reach out to you. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So you're welcome. So I'll also drop the material that I shared the other time, just to be able to show you the other ways of cleaning out your data, like the drop NA, the data.drop NA. Then the other ones that were also included, like the encoding of those data types, they're also included to this material. So what you just need to do is that just take your time from now. Please ensure, are you getting me, that before the next class, you are able to do all these things almost offhand. The way I'm doing it now, I'm doing everything offhand. Are you getting me? Are you getting what I'm trying to say now? I'm doing everything offhand for you. So what you just need to do is that, because I'm used to it. So in YouTube, before we meet by the next class, I want you to have done a lot of things. Are you getting me? A lot of things.
How can we comprehend it and understand it? I don't.
But no, it's by practice.
Okay.
The sale is by practice. Everything, all this that we've said now, you can do it under 30 minutes. If you can follow the material is even enough without the video. Just follow it. Write your code, run it. Write your code, run it. Most of the time, majority of the
in a Telegram.
Yes, on the Telegram too, yes. Most of the time, the challenges that we always have is when you don't have access to your directory. So you just get stuck. Do you understand? And you will be able to see how we're able to navigate through different devices, both Mac OS, Windows. You're able to see how we're able to navigate around their directories and how we were able to fix it. When we were able to fix the directory, every other thing was easy to achieve. So, do you understand? So, good through all the materials. I think good luck to all those who that did the training by themselves today. And don't worry. We'll see meet up in the Telegram group and we'll meet up again by God's grace next month. So I purposely decided that we should have a stop here today so that because I know it's going to get more complex. So in order to not get more complex, that is why we have to allow everybody to fix this up today by themselves. So thank you very much for your time.
Thanks so much.
I hope you learned one or two things from the class today. So okay. Yeah. Oga Emmanuel, over to you. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Ayoola. Mary, can you stop sharing your screen, please? Mary, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, please. So before we finally round up for the class, we
Hello, Emmanuel.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, yeah, okay. Just before you take the final reminders, let me just say one or two things. First of all, thank you very much, Ayoola. I mean, your classes are always engaging and very educative, and that's why we're always happy when you are the one to take the class. Regardless of that, I mean, other trainers are still fantastic, but you being the chief trainer, when you take the class, it's usually this very engaging. So thank you very much. And can we appreciate Ayoola in the chat room, please, with a round of applause? So thank you very much for all you do. Thank you for engaging with our students on the Telegram group with their challenges and issues they come up as they run their codes. So thank you for all you do for us. All right, so having said that, I have seen questions in the chat room and I've responded to them. We have our Telegram group for this course. and the link has been shared in the chat room over and over. So please click on the link and join the Telegram group, and that is the general Telegram group link. If you really want to get your certificate at the end of the course, or you want to have a one-on-one engagement with the trainers. So only those who have paid their registration fees are in the paid Telegram group. So the link you see in the chat room is a general Telegram group for this course. However, the trainers are not in that group. So if you wish to be able to share your screenshots of challenges you encounter along the way, you have to pay your registration fee to be able to gain access to the paid Telegram group, where you can always share screenshots or update what your challenge is, and the trainers are ready to attend to you. So that's basically what I wanted to say. And then lastly, our videos, the video recording of this class would be available on Monday. All our videos come out on Monday. So check in the chat room on Monday, you'd get the video link to this class. And of course, Emmanuel would also put in the chat in the Telegram group the link to the previous classes. So you can, for those who are asking questions or those who are joining us for the first time today, you can always rewatch, and the materials would also be reshared, so you can always read and follow through. Make sure you take your assignments, do your practices. If you have questions, ask. And then when we come to for the next class, we are all ready to move to the next level. So I hope that.
All right. Thank you, Madam Edith. Okay, for
Please,
the
sorry, Emmanuel, please, 1 second.
Okay.
I saw
Okay.
somebody asked a question about what that I agree came about 0.2 and stuff like that. So let me just quickly answer that question so you can round the class up, at least if that's what the person is taking up tonight.
Yeah, you're free to, sir.
Okay, so we have is 1 to 100, right? When we say percentage means 1 to 100. So what we used to do is that we always ensure that we train our the data we are trying to use, we train them into tests and the train. The train one means the original data, while the test means random data. Do you understand? So once you put it there, when you say 0.2, 0.2 means take 20% as the test data. Do you understand? If you put x underscore train equals to 0.2, then that means that you say take the train data to be 20%, while the test data will hold 80%. So 0.2 means 20 divided by 100, that is 0.2. Do you understand? So that particular one that you pick, either train or test, will take that particular percentage, then to be represented. If you look at your results, I was trying to explain the other time. If you look at your results, you find out that the okay, sorry. So you found out that the 0.2% was shown, and the 80% for the train data too was shown. So you can just check it once again and see how it works. You can check and see how it works. Thank you very much, everyone.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Ayoola. So, before we finally leave, we would appreciate your feedback on this course. The first class, if it's your first class, you can give your feedback. If it's not your first, your feedback would also be appreciated. So right now, I just posted the link to the feedback form So please, when you are done, just type done in the chat room before we leave this. When you fill the feedback form, just type done. So I need you to do that real quick before we leave this call. So immediately you're done filling it up, please just chat done. Just chat done. Let's do that real quick before we put our hand to this wonderful class.
And so I'll also be sending in another model that they can train just before maybe like 1 or 2. So as the spirit leads, do you understand? As the spirit leads. So sometimes like that, I'll be sending in some of the models that can be trained just to ensure that we are well prepared for the next class. Thank you.
So I'm still waiting for us to chat done after filling the feedback form. So please just fill the form and chat done.
Where is it? Chat room. Feedback.
Yeah, the feedback form is in the chat room. Just fill it up and type done, please.
Okay.
Yes, please. We need your feedbacks because it will help us to be able to deliver quality services to you as well as to other students who are registered for other courses. So please do give us your genuine feedback, and it will help us in our improvement. Thank you.
I need you to fill that form. Please, we're waiting for us. When you're done, just type done, please. Then we can put an end to the class. Sure, there's an attendance, Mr. David. I think you skipped that, but I'll post it right now. There's an attendance, there's a feedback form. So do well to fill in both. So I reshared the attendance also and the feedback form. So please just chat done. Chat done when you are done with the feedback